Okay. Ma, this is screen share. All are visible. The screen share. What I did? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
This is the
sir.
final revision of your third chapter. All the points, whatever the points are, we have discussed. I am showing the screen share on the screen. Okay. This is chapter 3, pair of linear equation 1 in 2 variables. Okay. It is a linear equation means definition amma. A linear equation is an algebraic expression in which terms are constants or the product of a constant and variables. Linear equations have one or more variables. Generally, we are discussing about linear equation 1 variable and 2 variables only. Okay. Okay. Variables and constant. Definition of variable means variables are the unknown part of a linear equation. They are represent with the alphabets like X, Y, Z or ABC, etc. Constants are fixed parts of linear equations. The constants may be numbers, parameters, or even non-linear equation functions of parameters. And the distinction between variables and parameters may depend upon the problem. Okay. And then next. Next one, this is a Cartesian plane, amma. The graph divided into the Cartesian plane is the first quadrant, x-axis, y-axis, and origin. First quadrant, both are positive. Second quadrant, x negative, y positive. Third quadrant, both negatives. Fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. This is a Cartesian plane to draw the graph. And then next, linear equation in one variable means the equations which can be written in the form of ax plus b equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. These type of equations are called linear equations in one variable. Example 5x plus 9 equal to 0, 39a minus 5 equal to 0, and 345u minus 234. These are the examples. These are the examples. And next, linear equation two variables means the equations which can be written in the form of ax plus by minus c equal to 0, where a, b and both can never be 0. These type of equations are called linear equation two variables. Examples, these are the examples for a linear equation in two variables. Okay. Okay. And now next one, graphs of linear equation one or two variables. This side, left side is two equations, two variable equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. There's a graphical representation, straight line you will get. And this is a linear equation. One variable means already we did in 9th class. One variable means you'll get straight line, x equal to 3, y equal to minus 2 means x equal to 3 means it's parallel to y-axis, y is equal to minus 2 means it's parallel to x-axis. Okay. And next slide, this is pair of linear equation two variables definition number. Now coming to the pair of linear equation two variables. And now each linear equation two variables define a straight line. To solve a system of linear equation two variables, we graph both the equations in the same coordinate system. The coordinates of any points that graphs have in common are solutions to the system since they satisfy both equations. The general form of a pair of linear equation two variables x and y as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are all real numbers, and the condition is a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0 and a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. Next slide. And now that is a graphical representation. Now we have methods for solving pair of linear equation. Two variables are, there are two methods for solving pair of linear equation in two variables. One is graphical method and another one is algebraic method. That's all we explained. Once again, we are going through the full chapter. Graphical method for solving a pair of linear equation two variables is when a pair of linear equations is plotted, two lines are defined. Now there are two lines in a plane, can intersect each other, be parallel to each other, to coincide each other or coincide with each other. The points where the two lines intersect are called the solution of the pair of linear equations. The condition one is the condition intersecting lines means it has any Q solution. A1, A2, A1 by A2, B1 by B2 is equal to B1 into B2. That means in our way, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 means the equations are any Q solution. And condition 2, coincident line means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2 means they have infinite many solutions. And parallel lines means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, then it has no solution. The graph is parallel, no solution is parallel, infinite many solution means coincident lines, and unique solution means intersecting lines. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mute.
Yes, sir.
You don't need to say yes or no. Mute. Okay. Now graphs of all three conditions are, is the first graph of parallel lines, second graph intersecting lines, third graph coincident lines. If you draw both on the same graph, you'll get parallel lines, you'll get intersecting lines, you'll get coincident lines. Parallel lines means no solution, inconsistent. Coincident means consistent but dependent. Only you can solve intersecting lines only. They have unique solutions. Those equations are consistent. Remember. And now algebraic method for solving pair of linear equations in two variables. There are three algebraic methods for solving pair of linear equation in two variables. First one is elimination by substitution method, elimination by equating the coefficient method. Third one is cross multiplication method. These are the three methods: substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method. And now substitution method, the steps for substitution method is, the first step for solving a pair of linear equation by the substitution method is to solve one equation for either of the variables. Choosing any equation or any variable for the first step does not affect the solution for the pair of equations. In the next step, we'll put the resultant value of the chosen variable obtained to the chosen equation in another equation and solve the other variable. That means we'll write x in terms of y in terms of x, and we substitute in the other equation. In the last step, we can substitute the value, obtain one of the variable in one equation to find the value of other variable. This is the substitution method description number. And elimination by equating the coefficients, variables equals. So equating the non-zero constants of any variable by multiplying the constant of a same variable in both the equations with other equations so that the resultant constants of one variable in both equations become equal. Subtract one equation from another to eliminate one variable and find the value of that variable. Solve for the remaining variable by putting the value of one solid variable. That means our condition is we make the variables equal, means variables coefficients make equal, means 3x, coefficients you are making equal, and then we are eliminating one variable. Santosh mute. So we substituting in another variable, hence we are getting the elimination method. And now this is the cross multiplication, last term, cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method means you're inviting only, coming, inviting, going, inviting only the people. It is a duty, you have to invite all. Why they are coming and going, don't know. Cross multiplication method means first condition, let's consider the general form of pair of equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. to solve the pair of equations for x and y using cross multiplication method means we'll arrange the variables x and y and the coefficients a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. The constants are shown below. This is a condition, Amma. This is a condition. X and b1, b2, c1, c2, y under a1, a2, 1 under b1, b2. Then x by b1, c2 minus b2, c1. X by b1, c2 minus b2, c1. b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1. Y by c1 into a2 minus c2 into a1. 1 by a1, b2 minus a2, b1. This is the formula to solve by cross multiplication method. Don't forget a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus c2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now simplifying the above situation and putting the values with 1 and y, 1 to find the value of x and y. Ma, mute Nikita. Mute kindly. Nikita, mute. Mute. Disturbance should not come to disturbance. Now cross multiplication continued. These are the steps as like shown in the picture. Cross multiplication before the page. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. x under b1 c2 c1 c2. y under c1 c2 a1 a2. 1 under a1 a2 b1 b2. Then x by cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method, b1 c2 minus b2 c1, y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Then x equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1, y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Hence x equal to the formula b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So to remember this, these are the points you have to remember to get the formula for cross multiplication method. Compulsory equal to 0. Don't forget. Okay. And next slide. Okay. Now we are going for examples, Amma. You have one example for substitution method. One example. Solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution method. 7x minus 15y equal to 2, x plus 2y equal to 3. Let's consider the equation 1 and write it as x equal to 3 minus 2y. Step 2, substitute the value x in the equation 1. 7 of 3 minus 2y minus 15y equal to 2. And next, elimination method. Clearly mentioned here, elimination method. See, elimination by equating the coefficients method means here the two equations, x plus 2y equal to 5, 2x minus 3y equal to 3. We can do it. We can make y variable. Here you make y variable. If we make x variable also, we can multiply first equation only by 2. But you want to make y variable, that's why you multiply both the equations, which is the easy way that we can do it. But here he did first equation by 3, he did 3 minus 3 of x plus 2y equal to 5. Second equation by 2 of 2x minus 3y equal to 3, minus 3x minus 6y equal to minus 15, 4x minus 6y equal to 6. Now the variables are equal, y coefficients are equal, hence same sign na we have to subtract the two equations, then 6y get cancelled, change the signs, minus 7x equal to minus 21, hence x equal to 3 divided by minus 7. Here also substitute the value in that x plus 2 first equation, 3 plus 2y equal to 5. So 2y equal to 5 minus 3, 2y equal to, hence y equal to 1, x equal to 3, y equal to 1. Elimination is the best method, an easy way. Equating the coefficients is the easy way for word problems also, which are here suitable, you can do it. Now the last example, Amma. Only last example. Say cross multiplication method. 2x plus 3y equal to 46, 3x plus 5y equal to 74, 2x plus 3y minus 46 equal to 0, 3x plus 5y minus 74 equal to 0. We know that equation for this method is the formula, that is x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. b1 means b1 is 3 and C2 minus 74, 3 of minus 74 minus B2. B2 means 5. 5 of C2 minus 46 compulsory equal to 0. Don't forget. Y by C1 minus 46, A2 3 minus C2 minus 74, A1 2 equal to 1 by 2 5s are 10, A1 B2, 2 5s are 10 minus 3 3s are 9. So X by 74 3s are minus 222, 46 5s are 230 plus 230. Y by 46 3s are minus 138, 74 2s are 148, 1 by 10 minus 9. So X by this is 8 and Y by 10 equal to 1. Hence X equal to what you get? 8 and Y is equal to 10. These are the overall this is overall revision for your chapter. Okay, this is a linear equation we have completed successfully. Okay, now what you can do means you can take mute once. We are textbook. One last model is there that I want to tell whether it is there an example or not. I want to see the last model in ours. Crosswise the equations are equal means you have to do one whether that is there or not. You have to see. That is not there in textbook. We have a reference books once, I think. Mom, mute. Don't sit outside. I told. Sit inside one room. Sit inside. Nikita, what going, coming, Nikita. Okay, it is not there in textbook. We have in reference books, I think. So this is a chapter revision. Any doubt anyone can ask. Ma, now I can tell. Anyone can tell that linear equation form, that cross multiplication formula. Ma, anyone can tell. Cross multiplication formula. Anyone can tell. Ma, unmute and say formula.
X by B1 C2 minus B2 C1
Very good.
is equals to
Yes.
Y by C1 A2 minus C2 A1
Excellent.
is equals to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1.
Good, Kavya. Good. I think you followed the chapter nicely. That is a formula for cross multiplication method. Good. And now, can anyone say elimination method process? Anyone say the elimination method process? Just anyone explain the elimination process? Just explanation only. Simple way.
Removing one
Yes. Try to say. Huh?
Removing one variable.
That means here now I told the word equating the coefficient of variables. Equating the coefficients of the variables. Then you can remove one of the variable. Then you can find another variable. That is the main motto of the substitution method. Next, substitution method. What is the process for substitution method? If anyone asks, you have to say the answer now. That's why. Substitution method process. Give me the answer. We have 10 minutes. Santosh, yes.
Simplest.
Simple equation you take first. Good. Step 1. You take the simple equation. Good. Next.
And
X in terms.
Yes. X in terms of y.
and substitute in
Y.
second
And
equation.
substitute in the
And
another equation. Which is simple equation you have taken. That you not take. You have to substitute in the another equation. Good. Then we can find x, y values by substitution method. Good. Okay. Now, can you tell the table, condition for table, full table you told na? The conditions, 3 conditions, consistent, inconsistent, consistent but dependent. The table, can anyone can say? Full conditions, most important.
A1 by A2.
One only. Maulabi, you also unmuted. You want to tell Maulabi? Yes. Santosh, speak. Santosh, unmute.
A1 by B2. A1 by B2 not equal to B1 by B2.
A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Then the equations are
intersecting lines.
intersecting lines, graphical representation,
And consistent.
consistent. Good. Next.
A1 by A2.
One more point is there. They have
Unit
unique
1 by
solution.
A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2 consistent lines.
Coincident lines. Yes. Next.
A1 by A2
A1
is
by
equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2 is parallel lines.
Okay. We have to say 3 points. We are telling 1 point. Now I am telling all the 3 points you have to say and mute all. Listen my. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 means the equations are consistent. First, the graphical representation is they are intersecting lines and they have inequal solution. We can solve only consistent equations. That all you have to say. 4 points. They are consistent. The graphical representation is intersecting lines. Then next one is they have inequal solution. We can solve only consistent equations. 4 points. And next condition is if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2 means they are consistent but dependent. The graphical representation is coincident lines and they have infinitely many solutions. These equations no need to solve. If you solve also, you'll get both same values. That's why no need to solve. And next one is all the 4 points you have to say. They are A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2 means they are consistent but dependent. The graphical representation is coincident lines. They have infinitely many solutions and we can no need to solve. If you solve also, you'll get same answer for all. That's why no need to solve. And next one is the third one. If A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2 means they are inconsistent. Graphical representation is parallel lines. They have no solution. We no need to solve inconsistent equations. This is the box must remember everyone. Then you have no doubt. And next one, how to draw the graph means in the graph sheet you have to draw both the lines on the same graph. Where the 2 lines are intersecting, that is the solution of the 2 equations. Okay, and if the 2 lines intersecting making an x-axis means if we extend, we have 10 minutes time only till I will teach. Okay, if we extend the x-axis making a triangle, find the vertices, also find the area of triangle means we have to shade with the x-axis. Sometimes y-axis means shade with y-axis. You extend the lines put arrow marks. Don't forget both sides arrow mark. The graphical representation of linear equation two variables ax plus by plus c equal to 0 means it is a straight line. Straight line means both sides you can extend. It represents arrow marks on both sides. And scale, don't forget, scale compulsory. If you are taking one also, you have to mention the scale. We are taking only Cartesian plane. You have draw compulsory plus. For statistics only, we will draw positive axis. There also, we are doing only first quadrant. Actually, Cartesian plane we are taking. In statistics, we have no negative values. That's why we'll take only first quadrant. But in linear equations, we have negative, positive. That's why we'll take the Cartesian plane plus shape only. And scale compulsory you have to mention. For graph, both you have to mention. Making the highlight, put the dot and round up the point. Minimum 3 solutions. To draw a line means 2 points required. But to show that line means minimum 3 solutions you have to find. Finding solutions is most important. Still, if anyone not getting, try it. We should not get fractions. Kindly don't get fractions. Try to do 7x plus 5y equal to 46. There we struggled a lot. How to get without fractions means you try it. You try with pencil. Wherever you are getting the whole numbers are integers, then only you can plot easily on the graph. When we are representing graphical compulsory, graphical reference constant compulsory will come. In any, we have a set. So in any set, they can ask the graph. Or in statistics, they can ask 2 graphs. One in linear equation 2 variables, one in statistics. In any set, they can ask the graph for linear equation or statistics. That's why we have to learn graphical method and algebraic method, all the 3 methods, particularly that method means, and the variables, then if denominators are variables, if the denominators are variables, compulsory 1 by x is a, 1 by y is a sub b, suppose. And then if x minus y is there in denominator, full 1 by x minus y is a and full 1 by x plus y is b, you have to suppose. And textbook, all examples, corner examples are important. CBSE will follow the NCERT textbook, each and every corner. That's why every corner example is important. Go through the textbook. Wherever you highlighted in the textbook, those points you have to read whenever you are free. Open the textbook and see each and every corner of the textbook, each and every example in the textbook. And those who are talented, means all are talented only, but who are top grade, they can solve optional exercises also. That now I will not tell. At last, if syllabus completed, at last I made them to do yourself only optional exercise also you have to solve. Optional exercise will not ask now. Generally they will not ask in the exam, but sometimes in hard questions for higher order level thinking questions, they change the numbers and they are asking the optional exercise questions only. That after syllabus over, then you can touch those sums also, optional exercise sums also. Understand? Ma, all are listening or is it audible?
Listening.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mute. Good children. You're all good children. Kindly, you use your talent for academics. This process, this online process will continue 1 more month. Definitely, schools will in month of August, they are telling. Kindly cooperate for the teachers and you complete the classwork 1, 2, 3 chapters. I think already 1, 2 chapters ST over. Get ready for next ST linear equation. The slides I show him because of those will be in our mind. It will be print in our mind. That's why I find out and I shown the slides. One point, important points. I shown the slides wise. If anyone asks what is meant by pair of linear equations means, can anyone say? Tell me the general form of pair of linear equation 2 variables. If anyone asks, if a chapter is named that one, can anyone say?
A1 plus
A1x. A1x.
Plus B1y.
A1x.
Plus
Loudly, Amma, loudly. Somewhat. Okay.
A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equals to 0.
Very good.
A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equals to 0.
Good. Okay. So this is the pair of linear equation 2 variables, general form of, and conditions also have to say, Amma. A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 are all real numbers. A1 square plus B1 square is not equal to 0. Maybe they can ask for 1 mark. These conditions they can ask for 1 mark. B1 square plus B2 square is not equal to 0. The conditions also we remember. And next, what you have to remember, what points, anything I forgot, salvation I told. And Amma, this what is the reference book I am telling means, if the corner wise same coefficient is there, corner wise same coefficient means, example, simple example I'm telling 5x plus 6y equal to 9, 6x plus 5y equal to 12. Corner wise coefficient same 5, this side also 6. Like that equations are there means, if you give big equations means 231x, I'm telling example 231x plus 121y equal to 300, 231x plus 121y equal to 300, 121x plus 231y is equal to 500. Then solve the equation means, you don't need to multiply 231 and you don't multiply 121 amma. What you have to do means, if crosswise same variable is there means, we have to add the two equations first. First add the given two equations, they must be simple form. The equation will come into simple form. Third equation will come. And next step, subtract both the equations. And one more equation will come, fourth equation in simple form. Then those simple equations you have to solve. This is a method. This is a question in a difference books will be there. Understand? Once again, I'm telling. We have 3 minutes time. Once again, I'm telling 231x plus 121y equal to 300. Example, I'm telling Amma. Next 121x plus 231y equal to 600. Then crosswise 231 is there. Crosswise 121 is there. If you do directly, first equation you have to multiply by 121. Second equation you have to multiply by 231. It is take 1 hour time. That's why it is not like that. If you observe crosswise same coefficient, then first add two equations. You will get third equation simple form. And next one is subtract the two equations again, 2 equations. You will get one more simple equation, fourth equation, that is those two equations you have to solve. 3, 4 equations you would solve. That is the solution of your given equations. Is it understand? Understand, Amma? The new sum.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can anyone give an example in that way? Simple. You give simple example. You don't need to give big number. Simple example you give. 2 minutes time only. Simple example. In that way, crosswise same coefficient. Simple example.
56x plus 42y is equals to 100.
Very good.
42x plus 56y is equals to 200.
Very good. Excellent. Good answer, Amma. Like that equations given means, add the two equations. You'll get third equation. Subtract the two equations. You'll get fourth equation. Those third equation and fourth equation you have to solve. Don't solve 1, 2 equations. Third equation, fourth equation solve. Then you can get XY values. It is the one model. It will be there in the reference. With that, successfully we have finished a pair of linear equation in 2 variables. Tomorrow onwards we will start equations. Get ready for the test on Sunday in pair of linear equation in 2 variables. For the exam also, don't do experiments. Roll number, name. Click on the link. It will be open. Roll number, the name, roll number type. Answer it. Submit. Then view square. These only do it. Don't do any experiment. Don't go for share. Don't go for sign in. Anything. Don't do experiments kindly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You are very good children.
Okay, sir.
I think it is less than 1 minute time. Have a nice day. You have completed successfully. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank
Tomorrow
you, sir.
onwards, we will start quantities. Kindly complete the
you, sir.
class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Very good,
sir.
very good. Complete the class, sir. Come on. Up to 1 to 3
Okay,
syllabus
sir.
finished successfully.
Thank you, sir.
1, 2, 3 chapter syllabus completed. Successfully.
Okay,
Thank you,
sir.
Fourth
sir.
chapter quantities. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir.
Complete your
Thank you, sir.
classwork.
Have a
Kindly
nice day,
graph
sir.
book
Thank you,
also
sir.
complete.
Thank you, sir.
Without pending graph book.